Okay, so now we are going to look into the secondary colors. And this is also quite simple. You see here, here's one blue and one yellow. And lots of white, so this is very light. Here we have 2 and 2. So this is turning more green, still very bright. And 3 and 3, and this is pure, so no white here. And you can see it's turned to green. And now we have some black. So darker green. And here we have more black than the others, so very dark. Great. And we do it for orange. So we have one red and one yellow. Try to activate everything here, so scratch it a little bit. And it's also bright because of all the white. And here we have 2 of each and some white. And pure, 3 of each, red and yellow. And some black here, so darker. And dark orange. Just a little bit yellow and red. Great. And then we have purple. So here's 1 and 1. Two and 2. And you need to scratch it a little bit. And pure, 3 and 3. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, they're quite okay. I think it's okay. And some black here. And more black here. Okay, so this is actually primary colors and secondary colors. And this is actually the main thing.